a human car alarm that never stops until every living thing in the radius is dead or death. So the first rule of the new world is simple. Silence is survival. No talking, no crying, no coughing, not even a whisper. Our protagonist is a former ER nurse named Marcus. He has survived 48 hours alone in a boarded-up apartment. He has taped the windows. He has stuffed towels under the door. He communicates with hand gestures to himself. He has not made a sound in 2 days.